Kittl tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Kittl and how you can use it to create your own logo. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So Kittl is a website where you can create a bunch of different things like logos, labels, t-shirts, posters, cards, and it's very easy to use, and they have a wide range of illustrations that you can use. So let's go ahead and get started and sign up. Now the sign up process is very simple and it's free as well. So you can either go ahead and sign up with Google, Facebook, or you could go ahead and sign up with your email account. It all depends on you, and the account is free. So go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. So once you've done that, so over here, as you can see, you have to go ahead and, choose an art design, explore some features and text effects, share your design with a friend and stuff like that. And then your account will be created. So currently, as you can see, it's at 20%. I created an account. Let's go ahead and choose a design. So over here, this is basically for them so that they can go ahead and recommend you some more designs better suited to your style. So it all depends on you. So I like this one, so I'm going to choose that. Now it's going to load up and show me some different designs as well. So now over here, as you can see, this design has been created. Now it's telling us to go ahead and edit it out. So we just simply click over here and it's going to select this design. And then over here, we can go ahead and change some of the colors. So we already have black and gold. I think it's gold. So we could go with maybe like a bluish color or purplish. So then we just simply click on next step, and then I'm just simply gonna go ahead and skip through over here, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. We can even change the color palette as well. So if we click over here at the bottom right corner, we can see we have a bunch of different other color palettes, so we can go ahead and change it. So if I wanted to go with the purple mint, I just simply click on it and it'll change its color, right? Same with retro summer, mango dream, purple clouds. Like, we have a bunch of different colors that we can choose from. So this is all pretty good, but I just want to go ahead and create a new design as well. So what I'll do is I'll just simply exit it out. Over here, I'll go back. I'm gonna leave, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create a design and show you just overview of this website. So it's pretty simple. So over here, as you can see, we have logos, labels, t-shirts, posters, cards. We have a bunch of different ones, and over here what we'll do is we'll just simply click on new project to create ourselves a new project, and over here we'll have a blank canvas. Now we could either go with a pre-made template as well. So over here, as I showed you, I have a bunch of different templates, and they have a pretty different and very unique variety of templates as well. And we have logos, we have labels as well. Like if you wanted to create a label for a company, you could go ahead and do that. Same with t-shirt designs as well. So we have pretty unique looking t-shirt design. Like I would buy this one, tropical sunset. That looks pretty cool. That would look really good on a t-shirt. Same with over here with different posters as well. So we have happiness is a cup of coffee. It's not, but it is. And then we have some cards over here. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. So now let's go ahead and create ourselves a design. So I'll just simply click on new project over here at the top right corner, and I'm just going to open up the blank canvas over here. Now what I can do over here is I come over here onto the left side. We have some options: design, text, elements. So we have a bunch of different options. Let's go ahead and click on an element, and over here we have shapes, ornaments, illustrations, abstract. We have a bunch of different options, and if I click on this arrow, it's going to open up even more and show us even more cool looking designs. So as you can see, they're really cool. We have some royalty type of design, some Victorian elements as well. So these looks pretty nice. So what I am looking for is a type of circle. So let's go ahead and see some different types of circles. So ornament circles right here. Maybe I can find one over here. Let's see. Couldn't find it over here. Let me actually search for it over here. So I'll just simply search for a circle here. As you can see, now we have a bunch of different options. Maybe in ornaments. Okay, I did see one that I liked in particular. So let me actually go ahead and select that. Okay, so over here in shapes, we have ornament circles. So over here, as you can see, we have some different ones. So I really like this one. So I'll just simply click on it. And as you can see, element has been added. So what I'll do now is I'll just simply go ahead and edit it out. Now, I don't like the pink color in between. So I'll just simply make it white so that it looks like a blank circle. But we can even go ahead and, edit more of this if we want to. So if we click on layers, it'll show us the layer. So we have background, and then we have illustration itself. So maybe if we want to remove the background, we just simply click on the background over here, and we could go ahead and remove it by clicking on the delete button right here, or we could go ahead and click over here onto this I button, and it'll remove that immediately. So now what I'll do is I actually want to go ahead and put like a banner as well. So I'll click over here and we have this option right here. Let me actually search some more if there are some better ones as well. No, I guess we'll just stick with this one. I'll add 2 of these. There we go. Oh, we have 2 of them. Now it is a little bit different. So what I'll do is I'll increase the size of it, and I'll reverse this one as well at a total of 180, and then we can put it somewhere around the lines like this. It is a little bit smaller, this one, so I'll just increase the size. There we go. Something like this. Let me actually put it in the middle right here. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so it's in the middle, and this one does not look good. This actually does not look that good as well. So I'll just actually remove that. It was weird. Okay, so this circle looks nice, so I'll go ahead and do this one. So I want to change some of the colors. Let's see what color this is. Okay, so this is this one. This looks nice. What happens if I remove it? Okay, that looks different, but wait, let me just actually try this one. If I replace these colors, let me actually copy the color code of this one and I'll paste it over here and actually turn this one black first and then this one into this color. Okay, that looks much better now. Okay, yeah, things are looking a little bit different. Okay, this looks much better now. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. So now I'm thinking maybe if I add some text elements over here. So I'll just simply come over here, click on text, and over here we have a bunch of different stuff. So we could either go with this, right? Like I just simply go ahead and import this text right here, and maybe we could go ahead and change the color of it, like go with a simple white color and just increase the size of it. So yeah, I think something along the lines of something like this would look pretty cool. You know, let me just actually center align it. Yeah, see, something like this, but it's not made for this one, but you get the right idea, right? So something like this. So let's go ahead and delete this, or maybe we just simply enter in the layers, and over here we actually go ahead and remove this and add like a tagline. So over here, this is it. I'm just simply gonna increase the size, and over here we'll just enter in the name of the brand that we want. So we should say something like the coffee house, or the coffee bean, or the gold coffee house. Let's go with the gold coffee, something along the lines of this. Increase the size so that it's a one-liner. Now let's go ahead and change it. So we go with a custom option, or maybe like a circular option as well. Like over here, if I just simply move it right here and I increase the size of it, so this would look good right here, but it's not circular enough. So we'll go with a custom option. And well, this does not look cool, but actually let me try it. Something like that. Maybe we could go with a simple arch, you know, just increase it, but no, that does not look good. We'll go with this circle. Yeah, increase the size of it and just simply move it down over here. Yeah, this looks nice. Something, yeah, this looks perfect. Now we're gonna say the golden coffee. Sorry, it was the golden coffee, not the coffee. Let me just enter the text as well. Yep, this looks nice. Now what we'll do is we'll add some more over here at the bottom. Add another tagline and we'll say the golden coffee. HOUSE, the golden coffee house. That looks nice. Increase it and change its color to white again. So this is how it looks like. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty cool. Now what we'll do is we'll just add some numbers over here. So I'll just add a small little paragraph. I don't know, but I'll just say 19. I'll add a tagline over here, 19, and we'll move the 19 over here. And I'll add like 46 or 47 over here. I'll say 45, and I'll move the other one right here along the lines of this one. There you go. That looks cool. Now I'll add some stars over here, then we'll add like an illustration in between. See, all these looks nice, so we'll add these ones over here. It's a little big, and we'll just rotate it over here, maybe a little bit more. There we go. Now we'll just lower the size of it and put it something like that, and change the color to, again, match this one. Let me actually copy the color code. There we go. Now we'll just simply click over here and we'll actually just simply choose that color because it automatically detected it. Now we'll go ahead and copy this star 3 times and paste it 3 times over here. Add one over here, add one over here, and add one over here. There's another one. I'll delete that. There you go. So now we just simply rotate these stars accordingly, like this one over here. And we'll just rotate this one as well, like this. Place it over here. I don't know why I'm rotating it. I mean, they all look exactly the same, but yeah, something like this looks cool. Now what I'll do is I'll add a illustration in between of like coffee house or something. So I'll just simply search for coffee or coffee beans or coffee. Yeah, I think this looks cool. Maybe this bag would look nice. Click on the colors and change the color. There we go. From the whites ones, we'll go with the black one, or we actually go black over here, and this one we go the gray. Yeah, that looks actually much better, but maybe a house would look much better as well. So house over here, coffee house over here, as you can see, looks pretty nice, looks pretty clean. So we just choose whichever one you want and you should be good to go. To me, I think this looks good. A bag of beans, coffee beans with a badge that says 1945, the name. I mean, we can adjust the colors, but you get the idea. Then you can just go ahead and download this design. You can increase the size and height of it, download it as a JPEG or a PNG. For PDFs and SVGs, you need to go ahead and change your plan, get the pro version, but pretty much this is how it is. And it auto saves as well. So pretty simple. That's how you use Kittl to create amazing looking design. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.